Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn Robux for free on like Microsoft Rewards. So go to Microsoft Rewards and make sure you have a Microsoft account. Currently, the reward isn't available right now, but it should be back in a few like days. It's like on and off. So make sure you go to Microsoft Rewards. They have other rewards too. So just earn as many points as you have here. As you can see, there is a lot of things you can do. Discover just like even recipes, take quizzes. So just select the points you want to earn. So select it, and then once you have enough, you're just going to go to the redeem section. Right now they have Overwatch, Sea of Thieves, and Diablo Force. I don't know this game. But you can see the coins here that they have, and you're just going to redeem it according to what you want to get. Hopefully the Robux will be back. But yeah, that is it pretty much for this video. Unfortunately, there isn't any more that you can do to earn free Robux. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.